everyone, good morning. Our topic for today is all about effort. So, hindi pwede na makukuha mo yung isang success overnight. So, nang hindi ka dadaan sa process na tinatawag. And you have to make or exert effort in everything you do for you to become a success. In order for us to become success. Because effort, there is a process that you learn a lot. Because when you fail again, you know how to go back to the process and you know how to become successful again. Because you know how to repeat the process. Pero kung hindi ka nag-under ng process, tapos hindi ka nag-exert ng effort, yung kinuha mo lang yung isang bagay ng instant, hindi mo kayang ulitin yun, hindi mo kayang maging successful ulit kapag ganun. That's why yung iba na example na lang na nanalo ka ng loto, di ba? So hindi mo pinaghirapan yun. That's minsan or most of the time pagka ganun, when you mismanage the resources that you have, nasasayang. Hindi mo na-handle ng tama yung pera, yung money na meron ka because you don't know how to handle well. Kasi nga andun yung lacking of the process na kailangan mong matutunan. And kapag ka nakuha mo kasi yung isang bagay na instant, hindi ganun ka-valuable because alam mong hindi mo siya pinaghirapan. So, effort is something you can be done. There's a lot of effort. So, yung effort is yung 100% na ibibigay mo yung best mo in everything that you do to get the goals or dreams that you want na naka-align. Kasi maraming kaya mag-effort. Yun nga lang, magkakaiba ang effort ng tao. Yung effort na saan mo ba ibinibigay yung energy, yung time, yung paghihirap mo. So, dapat kailangan i-make sure mo pinaghihirapan mo na rin lang, nag-effort ka na rin lang dun na sa bagay na gusto mo, pangarap mo. Kasi pagka ginawa mo yun dun sa pangarap mo, sa gusto mo, magiging successful yun eh. Kasi alam mo sa sarili mo na you did your best, you do your job, you do your 100%, whatever it takes. So, effort is something that you can give all out because that is you can give what you have. Thank you.